Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to me, Kartika Sardewi from 11 Pegasus class. Today I will making Dalgona Coffee, the viral mix. You only need 3 ingredients. Ready? Let's start. First, prepare the ingredients and the equipment. 2 tablespoons instant coffee, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons hot water, milk, ice cube if you want the cool version. And the equipment, the glass, whisk, tablespoon, and bowl. Okay guys, mix coffee, sugar, and hot water together. Stir until combined. Now mix with milk until thick and caramel color. Takes 5 minutes to 10 minutes by hand. Okay guys, when it's thick like this, it's ready. Next, after that, fill your glass with ice. Then add milk until 3/4 full. Okay. Finally, spoon the Dalgona Coffee on the pot. Mix it or drink it layer like this. Okay guys, your Dalgona coffee is ready. For extra flavor, you can add cinnamon or cocoa powder on the top. Okay? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. watching. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.